A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall continue with lesson number 15, and today we will be doing methods of consumer protection. The first method of consumer protection is self help or regulation by business people. Business community can itself ensure consumer protection through self discipline. They should adopt a code of conduct and should formulate consumer oriented marketing practices. Second is government control or legislative measures. Government over the time has passed several laws for the protection of consumers, and the wings of government, that is legislature, judiciary and executive, assist government. Actions or laws taken by government to protect the consumer interest are: first, publicity. All India Radio, Doordarshan, film documentaries, video documentaries. Ministry publishes a quarterly journal, Ubhokta Jagran, on consumer affairs. Awards. Government of India offers awards to youth and women in order to encourage their participation in consumer protection. Environment friendly products. An eco mark scheme has been introduced to motivate manufacturers and importers to reduce adverse impact of product on the environment. Consumer Welfare Fund. Government of India has created a fund to be utilized on consumer education, training and research in consumer education, setting up of product testing laboratories, etc. Lok Adalats. In Lok Adalat, the consumer can present his grievances and the official present at Lok Adalat will discuss the matter and take decisions. Public interest litigation. In this, any individual or organization can file petition in the court in the interest of a weak individual or group which may not be able to seek legal remedy on his own. Consumer Redressal Forum. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 provides a judicial machinery for redressal of consumer grievances, and the machinery are District Forum, State Commission and National Commission. These machinery have been set up for speedy and economical settlement of consumer problems. Last, Consumer Association. Consumer Association along with NGOs, that is non-government organization, can help consumers by educating them and awakening them. These bodies can take a united action on behalf of consumers. Thank you.